Hello there. Let's do another problem from IIT JEE exam 2023, section 3 this time. Okay, section 3. And in another video, I just question number 8. I just did the question number 8. Now I'm going to do question number 9. And this is actually there are multiple answers possible, but any one of the answers will be good. All right, so here is a source of light and because there are these two mirrors, kind of parallel mirrors, you're going to have multiple images, and multiple times the images will land up here. What's given is this one is focal length for this is given, focal length is given, focal length is given. Basically radius of curvature of this is given. So if I write down focal length is going to be 10 centimeters, this is 12 centimeters, this will be 10 centimeter, and we're supposed to find this distance from here to here. We're supposed to find this distance from here to here, so that the image, one image, right? One image. It's just like there are multiple images. It says one of the images it coincides with S. So we need to find one. You don't need to really find all of them. Okay, I'm not going to do all of them. All right. So let me redraw this and tell you my strategy for doing it. Okay, so I have redrawn the picture with some I labeled them with their focal lengths. So you can start from anywhere. So I'm going to say this will have this guy has this is where the focal point for, so this is number 2, M2, and this is M1, and this is L. So this is the 12 centimeter, and this is where the object is, and this is the focal length for this. So, and because it's in here within the focal length, the image is going to form somewhere behind here. So this S, let's call this Q through 2. So I'm going to start there, and you can see if the object 2 is this is 10 centimeter, and F2 is 12 centimeter, then image 2 from here is image 2 will be what? So you just do just a regular thing, right? You're going to be 1 over image 2 will be 1 over F2 minus 1 over O2, and it's just 1 over 12 minus 1 over 10. So you have 60. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1 over 60, and its image is behind there, so that's a 60 centimeters. Now this is image will be object for this lens, so it's going to form some image some along here, and because this is so far away and focal length is here, it's going to form somewhere, let's call it, we don't know how far away it goes, but just let's see it forms over here. Okay, because very far away it's going to form very close to the focal length. So if this is 10, so it's going to be somewhere here. So this will be image through the lens, where this will be the object through the lens, right? So object through the lens is we have a 60 and a 20. 60 plus 20 is 80 centimeter. And image of 1 over image the lens will be focal length is 10 centimeter. 1 over 10 minus 1 over 80. So you can see 80 8 minus 1, that becomes 7 over 80. So image is 80 over 7, so it's a little bit more than 10. So this is 80 over 7. And for in the image, distance is, it's on the other side of this object. I know this object is the image of this through the mirror, right? So you probably have done this exercise before. So you know how multiple images and work, multiple lens or a lens and a mirror work. So I have now this will be let's call it QL, formed from this. Now this will be the object for this, but what we want the image to end up like this. So we want the rays that comes from here is to become parallel, so that this one focal length is going to come down here. We want this. So that's the strategy. We want this to be one focal length of this guy, one focal length of the one, so that this QL, so we want QL to land on a focus of mirror 1. Why? Because once you place in the focus of mirror 1, then the rays will be parallel to the axis, and that ray, when returns to the lens, is going to form the image right on top of that S. So this will be QL prime. So this QL, so that this Q will be formed, Q1 will be at infinity. So the image of this have to form at infinity, so that it's all coming parallel. It's all coming parallel from infinity. For the second time going through the lens, so that it will form, the image will form here, and of course it's going to go on, and there'll be, this will go on forever. So we want this, so which means this one is already 10 centimeters. We want, so this means therefore want 10 centimeter plus what I found 80 over 7 centimeter. These two add up to this n over 7, the separation between them. So this should add up to n over 7. So if I just multiply by 7, so n equals to 70 plus 80 is 150 centimeter. So that's the answer. So 150 is the answer doing it this way. I know other ways of doing it, so you can get other values, but this is a this one value of n that actually will give you the image. Okay, so take care. Okay, so I'm gonna do next one. Okay, next one, another video, and so this is actually a pretty silly problem, and we're going to talk about that in a little in another video. Okay, talk to you. Bye.